My name is Joanna. I'm one of the co-founders of Lylo products, and we're developing a portable washing machine that reuses shower water to wash clothes. The inspiration actually came from my time at university. I was in a London university with really small accommodations, and the laundrette facilities were quite far over campus. And so I was getting quite fed up of transporting all my clothes across campus to just kind of be met by broken machines or not very well upkept machines. And it started making me think of ways that we could reuse water to actually incentivize students. We're currently building our final prototype to hopefully pilot with a university, and we've just completed our wash test rig that demonstrated that the product idea actually does wash as well as commercial washing machines, so it's a great step for us.